So we're actually inside Dona Maria. So this is amazing because we've seen it coming and growing and getting bigger and bigger, but we didn't actually think we'd actually get in today.
No.
But we've managed to get onto the first floor.
Yeah, and the first floor gives you a view of the marina, even the ground floor does. But this will go up to 6 floors, and remember this is like a 6-star resort, and you'll have 16 jacuzzis on the top levels. So we've got the penthouses. This is going to be a really, really special place.
Yeah.
It's the same developer that's built Adega. That is completely sold out, and that's across the road. And we were opening an office there, I hear.
Yeah, we do. We are. We're going to open an office over there. So we've got one in Villamora at the moment, and we're going to get a second office and have it over this end so that we can be here. We have a lot of clients now over this end, so we want to be able to be here and be able to look after those clients, especially for us rentals team.
Well, this is the problem. We are selling so much property in Lagos, the rentals team cannot cope with it in one office. So we're building another office over here. And if anybody is buying for an investment, let me just give you a quote on prices for a 2-bedroom apartment in here, in Dona Maria II Residence. Our 1 week in July, August, September is €1,800 a week. A 3-bedroom is €2,100 a week. Now, it doesn't take much working out. That is a great return. Obviously, you've got your expenses to come out, management expenses, but you will make money. And if you don't do the rental and just have it as a holiday home, this will go up in price. That location is second to none.
Yeah. And so we have a rentals team. So the rentals team will do absolutely everything for you. Rentals and after sales. So if you're not wanting to rent it out, we have an after sales team that will look after you, help you furnish it, help you get all your electrics and things like that put on. But we also have a rentals team that will actually take it all on board for you. They'll get the furniture, they will get you the licenses so that you can rent it out. They will all jam the whole way through. You don't even ever have to come here. They will send you your money over what you've made each month, and you will make money on this. So it's a no-brainer.
And don't forget, when you buy from this developer through Ideal Homes, this is exclusive to Ideal Homes, and also the other developer we use, we can get you a bank guarantee on your money. Both these developers are secured. It's no risk to you. You invest, we have a special discount, and that's exclusive to Ideal Homes. And as I said, this development is exclusive for the moment, but it won't last forever.
No, you need to get in there quickly. So from now, forever, we will be able to help you with this property and many other properties. So please get in touch, please subscribe, like, contact John at idealhomesportugal.com. We've got a team of people in the office, so that's inquiries at idealhomes.com. Please get in touch. Someone will talk to you all about it. They'll tell you about our rentals team and what they can do for you, how they can get you clients to come here year after year after year. So don't forget, this ain't going to be around for very long.